Hey everyone, my name is Darren Darling, and today we're going to talk about pinch clamps. Pinch clamps are a marine grade, all 300, 7mm band width, and these are perfect for polyethylene, polybutylene type water service lines, sprinkler, and irrigation systems. It's a welded construction and it provides a 360-degree seal, and pinch clamps are a permanent type crimp, so you get one use out of them, and to remove them you would have to cut them off. You can find pinch clamps and the pinch clamp tool on our website, idealtridon.com.